While the BMW 7 Series 2022 has a beginning cost of 398,000 Emirati dirhams, one of 4 accessible trim levels, the 30D Reserve is accessible with adaptive suspension package, airbags, BA, brake assist, blind spot warning, central locking, electric sunroof, heated/cooled seats, intelligent key, daytime running lights, LED, door handles, body colored, electric door mirrors, fog lamp, front and rear, active steering, ambient lighting, auto dimming mirror and This American sedan accompanies a 3.0-liter 6-petrol motor that produces 400 drive and 575 Nm of torque. On the other hand, the BMW 7 accompanies a 3.0-liter